Tape www.suividecolosénégal.com. À École au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape École au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup.
Okay, thank you very much. Now we are going to see a new grammar lesson, which is called the feature going to. Now we say when they have simple feature, that means they have feature going to. That's the same. We, for example, simple present and the present continuous. So when they have a simple action, that means they have a continuous action. That is the reason why for a future it is the simple feature and the feature going to. Right, let's go. On the board we have the feature to tense. So this tense can be used when the action will be realized or will nearly be realized in the future. For example, the feature going to can be used when the action will be nearly realized. For example, we suppose we are in the classroom and the students are here and they tell them, listen. Example, listen, I am going to tell you a good story. I'm going to tell you a good story. Or the boys are going to play games. The boys are going to play games, for example. Here, how is the form? They have subject. They have here subject, and they have to be going to plus. So the form is here. We have plus to be going to, subject plus to be going to, plus subject to be plus to be going to, plus verb. This is the form for the future going to. Let's take an example into the negative form. I am going to tell you a good story. It is into the affirmative form. Now into the negative, they have I'm not going to tell you a good story. I am not going to tell you a good story. Here, they have to respect the form. Here, we have the subject, I, plus to be going to, into the negative form, plus verb. Now, here, when they have I am not, it is possible to have the contraction with am not. I am not not. So we also have the possibility here with the contraction. am not going to tell you a good story. Here, am not. Thank you. Next sentence is, the boys are going to play games. We have the boys are not going to play games. The boys are not going to play games. Are not is the same with aren't. I'm going to tell you a good story into the singular. The boys are going to play games into the plural. Now, the boys are not going to play football is the same with the boys aren't going to play games. Now, these sentences are into the affirmative and negative form. So let's go with the interrogative form. Thank you. We have, I am going to tell you a good story. Interrogative. Am I going to tell you a good plus question mark. Am I going to tell you a good story? So, next sentence. The boys are going to play games. Are the boys going to play games? The boys are going to play games. Are the boys going to play games? Thank you. Now, interrogative. Now, interrogative. I am going to tell you a good story. We have am I not. Am I not going to tell you a good? Am I not going to tell you a good story? Here they have am not. Now, so am not, its contraction is am not. The contraction of am not is, we say, it is aren't. That's an exception. That's an exception. For example, it is the same when they have aren't I. Am I not going is aren't I. Am I not in the same with aren't I. We have aren't I going to tell you a good story. Aren't I going to tell you a good story? Thank you very much. Now, we have the boys are going to play games. We have here Are the boys not going to play games? Are plus not. It is aren't. So we have aren't the boys going to play games. So, thank you. This is the lesson about the future going to tense. Yep, so thank you very much. Thank you.
Tape www.suividecole au Sénégal.